everybody, I just wanted to make you a quick video. I am here at Starbucks and we have a few things going on this month. We have two new hires, Holly and Markella, who will be a great addition to our team. We also have 3 ways that you can save on our services, so be sure to check that out in the newsletter in your inbox. We also, I submitted my manuscript, so the book should be printed in April. However, I have been in a battle with my publishing company, so it hopefully is still in production and will be out shortly. So if you have pre-ordered, just know that I am working to make that happen. So February will fill up quick, so make sure to get your organizing session on the books. And we do have a wait list that is started. So if you don't see a date available right away, just go ahead and sign up for that wait list and we will notify you first of any openings. So happy February, everyone. Bye.